Hello YouTube. Today I am in a 2020 Subaru Ascent. Today's video is about putting the rear parking brake system into maintenance mode. Unfortunately, I haven't found a method to do this without a scan tool, so I'll showcase the ThinkCar scan tool that I've been testing out for the last couple of years. It's a pretty good little scan tool for an advanced DIYer. Anyway, let's get started. So from here we'll select North America. Yep, that's the car. And since we are just doing the brake system here, we will go into the anti-lock brake system. Don't need to scan codes on anything since that's not what we're here about. Go to special function and then brake maintenance mode. We'll be putting the system into brake maintenance mode, which is the top selection right here. So we'll go ahead and click yes. So we just gotta make sure the parking brake's not applied and no brake work's in progress. Go ahead and hit yes. I don't know if you can hear. You can hear the pads winding back, or the calipers. And then we get another message here on the screen that says brake maintenance mode was started. Then you should have a DTC in the ABS module when this is in maintenance mode. And you'll probably get some error messages on the screen here. But now with the system in maintenance mode, we can go ahead and perform work on the brake pads. All right, so we've done the brake caliper work that we were planning on doing, or brake pad change out, or whatever the case may be for needing to put the system into service mode. Now to put it back into normal mode, we'll just go ahead and go back to this menu here. Say okay. We'll sit okay. Lots of questions here. To press the brake pedal, so my foot's on the brake until it gets up to 25 or more. You can hear the calipers winding the pistons back out. So now it's back into normal mode. We'll cycle the ignition switch and confirm operation of the brake pads, or parking brake, that is. So we'll check it. That seems to work. Foot on the brake, push down to release it. I don't know if you heard that, but seems like it all worked. And we'll do it again. Parking brake set. Parking brake released. So as you can see, that wasn't a very difficult process. It's just unfortunate that Subaru doesn't seem to have any provisions for a vehicle owner to do this themselves without involving a bi-directional scan tool. Anyway, hope you found this video helpful. If you liked the video, click the like button. And if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and have a great day.